Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vaibhav. In this video, I will show you how to create a slider in WordPress using Elementor. So watch this video completely. So without any wasting time, let's get started. I am in my WordPress dashboard. To create a slider, we need to install a plugin. For that, we need to go to the plugin, add new, and search for Elementor. Okay, here it is. Elementor Page Builder. So you need to install and activate this plugin. So as you see, I have already installed and activated this plugin. Okay, now let's open a website in a new tab. Here we go. So to create a slider, click on Edit with Elementor. So here you will get Edit with Elementor. So just click on Edit with Elementor. So select this section. Select this section. Go to the style. Here you will get to see the current background image. Here it is. So Elementor has added a new feature, that is a background slideshow. Here you will get to see the background slideshow. So this is a slideshow. So just click on slideshow. Okay, from here you can add a multiple images. Click over it. So select the image that you want to add. So I will select this and this. Okay, I have selected 4 images. So click on create a new gallery. Here it is. From here you can change the image order like this. And also you can give a caption to each and every image. But I will keep blank only. I don't want to give any caption to image. And click on insert gallery. So here it is. So after every few seconds there will be a new image. Here it is. Okay. Okay, now let's move to the duration. So right now it is a 5 second. So I will make it 2 seconds. So now every 2 seconds there will be a new image. But 2 seconds is very fast. I don't want to keep 2 seconds. I will make it 3 seconds. Because 2 seconds is very quick. So duration 3 seconds. And let me make a transition duration. Right now it is a 5 seconds. So I will make it 2 seconds. Here it is. Now every 3 seconds there will be a new image. So duration 3 seconds and transition duration 2 seconds. Okay. And next is a transition. Here it is. So current is a fade transition. So here you will get a multiple option. So slide right, slide left, slide up, slide down. Let's select a slide right. Here it is, slide right. Okay, now let's make slide left. Slide up. But fade is much better. But fade look much better. So I will select fade only. Look at this. It looks so awesome. Next is a Kern-Ben effects. Here it is. Kern-Ben effect. So right now it is off. I will turn this on. So as soon as you turn this on, you will get to see the image slightly get zoom in. And also you will get the option zoom out. Here it is, the duration, zoom in and zoom out. So select zoom out. Here it is, the image slightly get zoom out. So for that you need to turn this on. So by default it was off. So you have to make it turn on. Here it is. So there is a 2 options, zoom in and zoom out. It also look much better. Here it is. Okay, now let's move to the background overlay. But what I will do, I will turn off only. So select background overlay. In background overlay, here you will get a multiple background overlay color that makes your background image look more beautiful. So here it is, just select gradient. Here it is. So I will select first color, let's make it black. Let's make it black, and second color, let's make it blue. Here it is. It looks so amazing. There it is. Green, blue. It looks so awesome. So background overlay make your background image look more beautiful. Okay, here it is, blend mode. Next is a blend mode. Here it is, blend mode. Right now it is normal. Here you will get a multiple option to choose. Okay, let's select screen. Here it is, screen. Darken. Lighten, saturation, luminous. Here it is. But I will make it normal only. Okay. So if you are happy with this, then you have to click on update. So I will just click on update. Okay, now let's open this website in a new tab and see how it look now. Here it is. Here we go. It looks so amazing. Okay, here it is. But what I will do, I will go back to the Elementor page builder. Here it is. Ken Burn effect. I will make this turn on. Okay, now let's update. Now refresh the page. Here it is. Okay, zoom in. And after a few seconds, the image will be get changed automatically. Here it is. It looks so amazing. So friends, hope you like this video. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe. So see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care and have a great day.